I always like to say that when I shoot video, whether it's B-roll or an interview or whatever, that I would rather have more than less because you can always work with more and whittle it down, but you can't really do a lot with less. So, when you have a lot of video over here in your bin, sometimes it becomes kind of difficult to sort through, or you start to get confused because a lot of the shots look the same. So these are a couple tips on how to work with that video to find what you need to, or to help reorient yourself should you get lost. The first thing is, say you're doing your video and you find a spot here and you really, really like this video and you're trying to figure out where it comes from. Where in your bin you might find more of it, or maybe you want to moderate the shot a little bit. The first thing you can do is you can look at the clip, and every clip is going to have the name, and this one is 6535, as you can see. So you can just automatically go over to your video over here in your bin and look for it. And you might just see it right off the top of your head. But if you don't, you can always use your Finder and you can type in 6535 and boom, it'll show right up for you. But say you want to get even more specific than that. And that clip, like this clip is 2 minutes and 15 seconds long, as you can see right here. And maybe I'm going through it and it's just really tough to pinpoint down where that specific part of the clip is. For that, you can go back to your timeline. You can highlight, click on your video, and then all you have to do is hit F. And F will take you right to it in your Finder. It'll pop the video into your Finder if it's not already there. And then see this little blue marker right here? It takes you to the very, very specific part of the video that you're on. So that is the very front of the same clip. So this clip in your bin is the same as this clip. So you can find exactly the same area, whether it's what you want or not, maybe another question, but you get the exact same clip, and that can help you to narrow down things if you, I don't know, there are a lot of different reasons why you might need to find that clip again. So that's one way that you can find the clip. Say we're back in that same 3565 clip and we decide we really, really want to find something. Maybe we go to that clip of the artist with his hand and we can't remember if we've used it or not. The real cool thing that you can do is you can put it in your preview frame here, and then all you have to do is hit Shift and R, and it will bring you to the exact same place in your timeline. And so it will show you, here it is here it is here, 6535, and here it is here in your timeline. And if you'll notice, the blue clip, the blue pointer is the same place in your preview. You see it's at 4603, and here the blue preview has got it at, it's at 510 in our timeline. But it will show you exactly where it is. So that's a real quick way to check and see if you've used the same clip, so that you don't redo clips. Or if you want to reuse a clip, that's also a great way to refine that clip again.